Hey, what's good, guys? I see you landed on the page, like literally. That was a dope intro, right? Bring you guys into the condo. We out here in the Hollywood Hills. And, I've been getting thousands and thousands of messages over the years. People hitting me up every single day asking, yo, Rich, yo, Garrett, what do you do, right? What is it that you do that allows you to travel all over the world, allows you to be in the places you want to be with the people you want to be? Seems like you live the lifestyle that you want to live, like you create your own lifestyle. And that's exactly what we do. We are lifestyle creators, lifestyle entrepreneurs, guys, and we travel all around the world, build teams of entrepreneurs, mentorship people, and teach them how to grow their businesses 10 times their businesses, or even start their business. So what I did for you guys is actually put together a page where I show you 3 income streams that I really live my whole life off of, right? 3 income streams that you can implement into your lifestyle. And now on the first income stream, I'll actually be showing you guys how to take a device, right? A device that you use every single day, right? A device you're probably on right now, scrolling this page, watching this video. That same device, I'm going to show you guys for free, because it's not about me making more money, guys. I'm already a 7-figure earner in the online industry, in online sales and online marketing, and doing all type of other investments. So I'm going to really just give back to you guys. So in the first video, I'm going to actually show you guys how you can turn this mobile device that you have, as far as your cell phone, into a platform that actually pays you per day, guys. That's right. There's an app in one of the biggest markets in the world, and I'm going to show you guys how to tap into that for free. Below this video, you'll actually see another video explaining how you can turn your phone into a device that's paying you. Right now, another video that I'm going to show you guys is a building business video. Now, also, I build big businesses online. I help businesses grow their business, but one of my main sources is building a sales team of entrepreneurs that are selling other people's products online. You might know it as network marketing, right? Now, with network marketing, the reason why I really like network marketing, because it allows you to earn a residual income while building a network of entrepreneurs, a network of successful people aiming for the same goal you're aiming, which is success, right? So you may not be into the first video as far as investment, but you may be a people's person. You may like building teams. You may be a hustler, a grinder, but you just don't have the product to sell. Well, in this video below, I'll be showing you guys exactly how you get your own business running, selling other people's products. So what I'm going to actually do is step inside and show you guys exactly how you can get started with one of the income streams, if not all 3, right? And I really want you to take this time, man, take this information all in, soak it in, because what I'm going to show you can actually change your life, guys. So turn off your TV, turn your phone off, put your kids to sleep, tell your boo or your husband you'll be in the room in a minute, because right now, guys, you're going to see something that'll absolutely change your life only if you take advantage of it. So we're going to step inside for a quick second, and I'm going to show you guys exactly all 3 income streams that you guys can get involved with.